an oxpecker. Fleas, ticks, and even dandruff are food, as far as they are concerned. Both parties benefit. The oxpecker gets a good meal, and the host is cleaned in those places it could never reach for itself. But some oxpeckers go for rather riskier meals. Hippopotamus are highly territorial and very aggressive. So oxpeckers tackling them must always be on their guard. Blood is the most nutritious meal of all. Pecking ensures that cuts remain open and blood keeps flowing. And an oxpecker, once it's found an open wound, will stay alongside it, no matter how much that irritates its host. The reward? An endless supply of food, whatever the conditions.